testimony that we have gotten in a horrific testimony of a survivor of this absolutely horrific terror attack in Pahalgam. Spine-chilling account where she says that she was targeted for being a non-Muslim. Listen in.
अपने आप बोलिए ना मुझे। हाँ ठीक है यहाँ पे नहीं आप टेंशन मत लो। अब बेटा आप यहाँ पे रहो, हम साथ में। मैडम ये जो वहीद साहब है प्रेसिडेंट, आप टेंशन मत लो।
मेरे बच्चे का बच्चा लो।
हम बचा देगा, कोई बात नहीं। बेहतर करेंगे फोन। दब से मन युवा डिजाइन क्या है। ठीक है हम बचा देंगे ना, आप टेंशन मत लो। मैं आ रहा हूँ। मैं कहाँ पे आपका ये हस्बैंड? क्या हुआ इसको, क्या हुआ?
Please ask for help. We don't need.
Okay, don't worry. You okay? You need a water, sir?
Sir, we'll manage. Just ask for help.
Okay, you first you give the hands water.
Yes.
Drop of water. Take a drop of water, sir, please.
So that, viewers, was the spine-chilling account that we got for you, an eyewitness account. Extremely concerning situation there in Pahalgam that is unfolding at the moment. Pradeep, we just heard the woman. In fact, we also heard a local trying to help the tourists that have come from across the country to visit Jammu and Kashmir. I'm also joined by Yavar, who's in fact en route to this particular site in Baisaran Valley in Pahalgam. Yavar, 10 people have been injured, one unfortunately being killed in this terror attack. What is it that you're picking up? What's the latest response from the security forces and the administration?
Well, as of now, the first priority for the administration was to evacuate the injured civilians. They have been given the understanding that at least 10 of the civilians were injured in this attack. And we had a first-hand eyewitness account of the tourists saying that they were having the chart there when this incident has unfolded. The militants, they abruptly opened indiscriminate firing on these tourists. Now you can see that we are just, en routing towards that spot. There has been the additional security deployment that have been put in place. These, SOG Jawans of the J&K police, they are ensuring that the vehicles will be frisked before they would be allowed to go in there. This is a route that's connecting, towards the Pahalgam, and there's a prominent route where we are right now reporting, and we have been given the understanding that one has also been succumbed, and officials' first priority is to ensure that there will be the foolproof medical cover there. As I earlier have been in the constant touch with the security establishment, they are saying that the reinforcement, the specialized units of the CRPIB Prasnu Service, see the security forces, the J&K police Jawans, they are frisking the vehicles before letting them to go towards that particular spot. Remember that there has been the huge rush of the tourists when we witnessed to the Kashmir Valley, particularly to the Pahalgam or elsewhere in the Kashmir Valley. But somehow we are witnessing that this incident has unfolded, over 10 people have been injured, and more reinforcement have been pressed into service. They have been provided best medical care. Sources are indicating that one has succumbed to his injury. That's an unfortunate news that is coming in. In fact, the Mahbooba Mufti has also condemned this attack. There has been a massive condemnation that are pouring in from various quarters. But yes, right now where I am reporting, the security forces have entirely, beefed the security measures across the Kashmir Valley, particularly to the routes which are en route to the Pahalgam.
Right, Yavar, my colleague, of course, at Pahalgam, where this terror attack has taken place. Viewers, listen in to the plea by the survivors of this brutal terror attack in Pahalgam, where they're saying that they were targeted for being a non-Muslim.
अपने आप बोलिए ना मुझे। यहाँ पे नहीं आप टेंशन मत लो। अब बेटा आप यहाँ पे रहो, हम साथ में। मैडम ये जो वहीद साहब है प्रेसिडेंट, आप टेंशन मत लो।
मेरे बच्चे का बच्चा लो।
हम बचा देगा, कोई बात नहीं। बेहतर करेंगे फोन। दब से मन युवा डिजाइन क्या है। ठीक है हम बचा देंगे ना, आप टेंशन मत लो। मैं आ रहा हूँ। मैं कहाँ पे आपका ये हस्बैंड? क्या हुआ इसको, क्या हुआ?
Please ask for help. We don't need.
Okay, don't worry. You okay? You need a water, sir?
Sir, we'll manage. Just ask for help.
Okay, you first you give the hands water. Drop of water. Take a drop of water, sir, please.
All right, that chilling testimony from the survivors of the Jammu and Kashmir Pahalgam terror attack. We'll keep getting you the ground situation, Pradeep and Yavar. We will come back to you, but right now it's